What's the last thing you remember?
What's the last thing that you do remember?
My wife.
That's sweet.
Dying.
Just as you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the drinks arrive, just as they
I know I can't have her back.
as your body disappears.
I don't want to wake up in the morning thinking she's still here.
Come back and focus again before you run away from me.
Are you sure you want this?
Have I told you what this man did?
Yeah.
Well, you shouldn't have to ask.
You're not a killer.
I'm not a killer. I'm just someone who wanted to make things right.